Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So, if you see me a little bit crazy, it's because I did go crazy with this palette because I love it so much. And by the title of the video, you already know which palette I'm talking about. I'm talking about the one from Wicked Sisters Cosmetics, and this one is inspired by the movie Halloween 3 Season of the Witch. So, if you want to see how I did this crazy look, keep on watching. Hello. So I'm super excited because I received today what I was waiting for, the Wicked Sisters Cosmetics Season of the Witch palette. I got the bundle. I got the second bundle. I think they came out with 3 bundles if I'm not mistaken, and I purchased the second bundle, which brings the palette and the lashes. But I couldn't resist the mirror, so I bought the mirror. Isn't that cute? Well, let me show you how the palette looks. When I saw this, they were coming out with this, I just got so excited because the colors are so beautiful.
Groovy.
And the lashes looks like this. So I've never tried their lashes before, so I'm eager to see if I like them. And like I said, I couldn't resist the mirror. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I didn't read the specifications, so that's my bad. Small, but it gets the job done, so it's good. So let's see. I know I want something fall today. I think I'm gonna start with Magic Pumpkin, which is the orange, and just put that all over. In case you're wondering where I got this at Party City, and I did a vlog of me going Halloween decor hunting, which is a little series that I'm trying to do. That one's called Halloween Decor Hunting Part 2 because I already did a Part 1. But where I found these, it's in the video Part 2. So if anything, if you want to check that out, I will link it down below. So let me start with this color. Let me use the mirror. Just put that all over. Ooh. Very bright. I've tried already a palette from them. The one that's called House of Horrors, and I really like that palette, so I'm expecting the same quality in this one. Who is ready for fall? I know I am, even though I don't get fall here, but still I like the decoration. It's a beautiful orange. There's always one scene in particular from the movie that I love, and it's just a short little, like 2 seconds 2 or 3 seconds, but I love it, and it always reminds me of Halloween, especially that scene, and I just love it. Now I'm going to take this shade and put it in the crease and concentrate that on the outer corner. What's your favorite horror movie? I'm gonna go back in with the first shade because it kind of got lost, and I still want to see that orange color peeking through. And with a smaller brush, I'm gonna use the black in the palette and just put that right over here. dressed up for Halloween? If so, what's been your favorite Halloween costume? I usually go for just a classic witch. That's my go-to. But I've had different costumes throughout the years, but that's like my favorite one always. I don't know now with all the situation we're going through if anybody's gonna be doing that, but you know what? Even in the house, I still want to get dressed up. That's just me, I guess. Let me know if you're the same in the comments down below. Just trying to create a little wing situation with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my glitter primer and I'm gonna put that right in here because I want to use this color. And I gotta take this higher than my crease because I have hooded eyes. Ooh. Oh, look at that color. Look at that color. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that is nice. I'm just gonna tap right here to diffuse that line so there isn't like a harsh line. That color is gorge. Now I'm gonna use the white one and put that on my brow bone as a highlight. And I'm gonna use that right in the inner corner as well. Now I'm gonna take witch and put it on the lower lash line. Now with a smudge brush, I'm gonna take the red in here, it's called Motel, and put that really close to the lower lash line. Go in with that color. Looks very metallic, let's see. Oh yeah, my eyes are bleeding, love that. I'm so glad this palette has a black because I think every palette should have a black. I use black all the time and it's hard to use a palette and then go to another palette to get the black and then go back in with the first palette. I hate doing that. It's actually a really hurry up. It's a really easy black to work with and it has pigment. Love that. Then I don't know if I should just drag. Do I want to do that? Do I want to drag that red down here and just go like I'm bleeding? Do I really want to do that? Apparently I'm doing it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is coming complete. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna add some black eyeliner and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna try these and see I'm probably gonna have to trim them, the outer corner, because I always have to do that with lashes. Let's see. Just a little bit. Just a little bit in the outer corner. Woo! Look at that. They're really thick and really black. I love that. I'm going to use this one from Milani. It is called Amor. It's like a very dark red, but on camera looks red. You know what, I just remembered I didn't put contour. So I'm going to finish my lips. And I'm going to add contour. Next. So this is it. This is the final look. What do you think? Another hit in my opinion. I love it. These colors are beautiful. They're very pretty colors. I mean, you could do so many different looks with this palette. I fell in love with this one. Out of all the ones that I tried today, this one is absolutely my favorite. It's so good, you guys. I mean, look at that. It is so good. It looks like, it's not glittery because it's not glitter, but it looks like liquid metal, I guess you could say. That's the best way I could describe it. It's so amazing. I love it. And I'm glad that it has a black in it, which I love. Palettes that bring at least a black or very similar or very dark color similar to black, I think is always necessary. And not only does this palette have a black, but it also has a white, which is great because usually, at least when I use white, is usually to brighten something or to fix a mistake or something. So that's actually pretty good that it have both white and black in this palette. That's amazing right there. I still want to try this green one over here. It's calling my name. And this one right here. Let me see, let me swatch it for you. Look at that. Oh, I'm so eager to play with this again. If you want to see me using this palette again for a second look, let me know in the comments down below. I highly recommend it. The lashes feel really comfortable. Even though they're a thick band, I suggest you just putting a little eyeliner first and then pop them on, because you will have to fill in the gaps right here, but not that much. And they feel comfortable. I don't feel them on me right now, so they're good. And they're very black. They're black. And the mirror is so cute. I mean, come on. Look at it. It's gorgeous. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. And I'm gonna wet my sponge. No, I'm gonna wet the brush. Ow. Just poke my eye. Oh, it just poked my eye. Don't poke your eye. Oh, now it's watery. Oh, there it goes. No. No.
2,000 years later.
Don't cry. Oh, no. It's a really easy. Salen al terreno del estadio, caminan al el comienzo de la ruta.